Hello everyone, welcome to my TrafficBolt AI review. Today I am really excited to share this incredible TrafficBolt AI app with you. TrafficBolt AI is an advanced automation platform that transforms social media management into a powerful hands-free business growth tool. By connecting all your social media accounts, it leverages AI to create, schedule, and post viral content across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, X, and LinkedIn. User can effortlessly increase traffic, followers, and sales by automating content creation and utilizing proven strategies that adapt to changing algorithms. With TrafficBolt AI, you can generate consistent 24 by 7 hour traffic to your offers, monitor performance, and optimize strategies, all without needing technical skills. It's an all-in-one solution designed for marketers of all levels to skyrocket engagement and profit. So viewers, stay tuned as we break down the features, benefits, and my personal take on whether TrafficBolt AI app is worth your investment. And don't forget to check the description box below to get your hands on this amazing AI app. Let's dive into the details of TrafficBolt AI. TrafficBolt AI app works in just simple 3 steps. Step 1. Connect, control, dominate. Link your social media accounts in seconds. Manage Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and more from one dashboard. Total control, total domination. Step 2. Automate and let AI work its magic. Set your goals. Define your audience and let TrafficBolt AI create, schedule, and post viral worthy content automatically. Want to go hands-free? The autopilot feature has you covered. And step 3. Traffic profits on repeat. Track results, refine strategies, and watch AI drives 24 by 7 hour traffic to your offers, turning every post into unstoppable profits, all while you sit back, relax, and enjoy. This TrafficBolt AI app front-end price only $17.95 with 30 days money-back guarantee. Why is the TrafficBolt AI perfect for you? And what benefit make it invaluable? Number 1. Create hundreds of attention-grabbing posts, videos, and stories in any niche. Number 2. Schedule months of content in minutes. Just set and forget and let AI do all the work. Number 3. Fully integrated with all the top social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. Number 4. Generate unlimited free traffic on demand to any page, offer, or product hands-free. Number 5. 100% approved by social media platforms. Strictly follow the rules. No shadow, bans, or losing reach. Number 6. Skyrocket your engagement. Build massive followers and monetize your traffic with ease. Number 7. Super easy to use. No tech skill needed. Suitable for all. Number 8. Low one-time price. Save thousands on monthly subscription fees. And number 9. Free commercial license during the launch period only. Dear viewers, to get this TrafficBolt AI app, please check my description box. Click the product sales page link below. Then you will be directed to the product sales page, watch full product sales video, and read the full sales page for more information. After that, make your decision with TrafficBolt AI. Limited time first action bonuses. 10 first action bonuses included with TrafficBolt AI app. Finally, today you can get access to TrafficBolt AI for a low one-time price for just $17.95. Everything included. But you will get all of this for just a one-time payment of $17.95. So guys, grab your copy now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. And leave a comment if you have any question about TrafficBolt AI.